Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new type of AI-generated video, a complete guide that answers all your questions. The most important question: which channels are not monetized under YouTube's new policy? YouTube does not monetize channels that keep uploading the same video repeatedly. For example, re-uploading the same short again and again. YouTube values original content and genuine effort. If you create your own videos with creativity and consistency, your channel will get monetized. Let's take an example. Suno Kids TV. This channel is a perfect example of success with AI content. Only 88 videos, over 250k subscribers, millions of views on many videos. Yes, it is real and monetized, confirmed on Social Blade. My friend, this channel earns real money from original AI videos. Let's start. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Generate image prompts using ChatGPT. Open the website ChatGPT, link in description. Log in with your Google or email ID. Go to the Suno Kids TV channel. Pick a video you like. Take a screenshot of an amazing thumbnail or visual. Come back to ChatGPT and upload the screenshot. Ask, please give me prompts to generate a similar image in full HD. In a few seconds, boom, your AI prompt is ready. Not happy with it? Ask ChatGPT to regenerate it until you're satisfied, then save your final prompt. Step 2. Create images using Piclumens. Open the website, Piclumens, link in description. Log in with your Google email ID. Set the image ratio to 9:16, YouTube Shorts format. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Click Generate. Wait 20-40 seconds. Wow, your image is ready and it looks amazing. Now do the same for the second, third, and all your prompts. Piclumens is a free AI image generator that creates high-quality images from simple text prompts. It's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making visuals for YouTube Shorts, Stories, or kids content. You can choose the 9:16 vertical format, paste your prompt, and generate stunning HD images in seconds. The tool supports different styles like cartoon, 3D, fantasy, or realistic. If you're not happy with the result, just click Regenerate for a new version. It's fast, creative, and works great with prompts made using ChatGPT. After all images are generated, download and save them. Step 3. Convert AI images into videos using free tools. In this step, you'll turn your AI-generated images into animated videos using 2 free AI tools. Digen AI, Dremina AI. These tools help bring your static images to life by adding smooth motion, animations, or camera movement. Perfect for storytelling or short videos. Tool 1. Digen AI website. How to use Digen. Open the website Digen AI, link is in the description. Click Login. Use your Google or email ID. Once you're logged in, you'll receive free credits to create videos. Click Create Video. Upload and animate. Upload one AI image you created using Piclumen. Set the video ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or Reels. You can paste your prompt again into the prompt box. Optional. Click Generate. Wait for about 1 to 3 minutes depending on the image and server load. Once done, download the animated video to your device. Repeat the steps. Repeat the same steps for your second, third, and all other images. You can generate a full video series by repeating this process. Pro tip: Digen uses smooth zooms, pans, and animation effects, perfect for kids' content, motivational videos, or storytelling. Tool 2. Dremina AI. Website: Dremina creates stylized motion videos. It adds cinematic effects and character movement to your image. How to use Dremina AI. Open Dremina AI, link in the description. Sign in with Google or email. If AI video option is not visible, use a VPN. Connect to USA, Canada, or Germany. Refresh the site. Now you'll see the video generation tab. Create AI video. Click AI video. Upload your AI image. Paste your prompt from Piclumen, optional. Choose the model, Video Style 2.0 Pro or best available. Click Generate. Wait 2-3 minutes. Once it's ready, download the video. Organize your clips. Save each video with a clear name, X, scene1.mp4, scene2.mp4. Check quality. Make sure it's HD. All files should be ready before you move to editing. Step 4. Add background music or sound effects. Open the website pixabay.com. Go to the Music tab and search for your desired background music. All music is free and copyright safe. You can also download sound effects from the same site. Pixabay is a free website that offers thousands of copyright-free photos, videos, music tracks, and sound effects. Everything on the platform is royalty-free, which means you can use the content for personal or commercial projects, including YouTube videos, without worrying about copyright issues. Just go to pixabay.com, search for music or sound effects, and download what you need. No account is required, but signing up gives you access to more features. It's perfect for adding background music or sound effects to your AI-generated videos. Step 5. Final editing in CapCut. Open the CapCut app or website. Click New Project and import your AI videos. Arrange clips on the timeline. Zoom in slightly to remove watermarks if needed. CapCut is a free and powerful video editing tool developed by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. It works on mobile, desktop, and even online, making it easy for anyone to edit videos without needing advanced skills. Add transitions, effects, and background music. Watch your video one final time. Click Export, and that's it. Boom! Your AI video is done and ready to upload. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe for more AI content tips. We share something new in every video, so don't miss the next one. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. I personally reply to everyone. Goodbye, my friend.